Hey, welcome back. I wanted to pass this on to you. If you have an old Christmas tree, before you throw it away, you might want to try to give it a second life. One thing I've been doing the past few years is bringing our Christmas tree out and putting it out here near the bird feeders, and then we get to enjoy it for about another month before it really starts to turn brown. It'll actually last pretty long in the cold weather. So for the past few years, we've been getting our trees either live or from a lot where they have the ability to drill a hole through the bottom of them for one of these types of stands. And I found that these work pretty well. And I'm just going to attach it like this with the tree sideways, and then I'll just stand it up. That'll be an easy way to do it. For my setup, I have a tree right here, which makes it easy to attach it with one rope. The wind usually blows out of the west, so this is east going this direction, so I can attach that main line there, and then I'll attach some secondary lines in case we do get some weather coming from the opposite direction. So you have to look at your situation. If you don't have any trees around, then you're gonna have to stake it, and I'll show you how to make those stakes and what I'll do for that part. Alright, I'm going to make some stakes here with some firewood. I'm at the burning pile here. I'm going to take a piece of hardwood, and I'm just going to use made this old Boy Scout hatchet that I restored and did a custom handle on it. I did that in another video. I'll put a link there. I'll use that to carve out some stakes here, and really all you need to do is use a chopping block like this, get a larger piece. You want to make sure you have enough to pound on here, and now we've got to make a little bit of a notch for the rope to attach. That's all you really need, some place there for the rope to attach so it doesn't slip, and as we drive it in there. That should work out fine. This is that World War II hatchet. This is one that I got off of eBay, and it had a handle. Its original handle was busted, and I replaced it with this really old handle I found in a toolbox from about the 1930s. And this is made by Plum, and it says US 1944 on it. And this is a really nice head on this axe. I like this one a lot. It's about 1.5 pounds head on there, and about 3.5 inches wide here on the blade. All right, we have our 2 stakes. Here we go. So the rope is going to fit in that notch right there.
Okay.
Okay. Now we're going to try to hammer it in here.
Oh, little birdie's going to be sitting on that to climb up there.
They could.
I think that's strong enough, Papa. You're going to make a pretty big hole so you can't get it out. You can't get it out now. That will come out.
That's good. That's not going anywhere. Now we just have to do the one more on the other side and we'll be ready to go.
Oh,
okay?
Yeah, that's not going anywhere.
All right, that's good. Let's just stake that last one down now. You're going to hammer this last one in. Let's make another loop.
Can I do it with this big whacker? The big whacker!
Yes.
Oi, oi, oi.
So we're going to make another loop. That's a little, I don't like the place of that one, so let's make one
About right there.
about like right there.
Yeah.
And all you have to do to make a loop is really easy. Look, you just go like this, fold it over, and then tie a knot. See that?
Mm-hmm.
And that'll make a good loop. Okay? I'm going to put the notch in the back. Okay.
Oh, the big whack right here.
You ready? That's it. It's going. Let me do one. There you go. Watch your fingers. Don't pinch your fingers. That's pretty good. That's really good. Should I whack it?
Yeah, one big whack.
Ready?
Go, Papa, go.
Oh, I broke it. I didn't have to do it that hard. Oh, we have to cut another one. Oh boy. All right, let's cut another steak. Okay?
What's the funny
We'll have to do a take two.
You won't.
Now we can use the same hole, maybe.
Yeah.
Okay?
Hammer in. Hammer in. Hammer in. Hammer in. Hammer in. Hammer in.
Go ahead.
Whoops.
Watch your fingers. That's okay. Try it in the middle. There you go. Watch your fingers. Okay. You're making me nervous. Yeah. There you go. Great. I think that's going to be good. I don't think it's going anywhere. I'll whack it for one good measure. Ready?
Uh-oh.
I'm not going to break it this time. Okay?
You broke that piece off.
There. Perfect.
Yay, look at that.
Good. So like that. Good food. That's good. Yeah. Throw it in the tree. Go whee! Yeah, do that one more time. Right up in the branches. Yay!
Yeah.
One more time. There you go. Now they'll be eating off the tree. One more time. Over on this side. There you go. That's good.
I want to go over on
No, that's good because we can't see them on that side. Okay. All right. Let's go put our stuff back.
Do you have to feed our piggy?
You got it? Good job. Let's put the lid on here.
I took it out. I put it in there. Papa, do you think we need any other work out here?
I don't know if we need to do any other work right now out here. I'm gonna take these axes inside though.
Even though we want.
You want to take that?
Yeah, because
I think we need to clean up the rust off that.
Yeah.
Okay?
Yeah. And let's work something. Well, I'm gonna build something else for the birds out here, so it will be kind
Well,
of.
we'll see.
So they're happy.